Okay, here we go. Which way are you going to go, left or right? Ah, good choice. Oh! You're going to play with those wheels a little bit? Okay. Yeah. Alright. Get that train going in the right direction. Mika. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. You want to play with the chimes? Mika, play with the chimes. The other side. There they are. Yeah. Oh, beautiful music. Okay, where are you going? Come here. Do you want to go down the slide? Hell. No. Which way? Don't go down there. Yeah, it's a bachka. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Why don't you go down to the right one? The left one is wet, Mika. Oh, sorry. Yeah. You can come down this way? Okay. Oh, that's it. Oh. Hello. 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 What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, I gotta help you.